Hello everybody. I was at the junk store and I found this K2 EMF meter. Looks like a toy, but I guess they're actually like a $60 item for a ghost hunting community. So it's made by K2EMFmeter.com in Florida. Made in USA. Well, I put a battery in it and she powers up. She does something when you get it close to metal. It picks something up. So I am not sure exactly how this is supposed to work, but I figured we can take it apart and see what is inside this thing. There's not much, I can tell you that, because I already put a battery in it and seen the board. So let's take it apart. Two Phillips screwdrivers, or screws. This is a screwdriver. These are screws. Yes, I know the difference. So, there's some self-tappers, and we have a battery, which I put in there. It's a fresh battery. So, this board just lifts out. We'll zoom in, get you the back of the board. So, I really don't know what to put for content on my channel. I'm just doing things I like to do. But I figure I seen this and it'd be interesting to see what's inside of it. But it ain't gonna stick around. I don't know if I want to just take some stuff apart and scrap it, or but this will go on eBay because it's got some pretty good comps. So that's an LM324N. Yes, LM324N. It's that transistor there. Yeah. 85-degree electrolytic. 3.3 at 50. See this transistor here. Two more electrolytics there. (110). More transistors. You zoomed in a little too far there. I don't know. Is there really a ghost hunting community? I mean, switch. Yeah, on eBay these had pretty good sales comps, so I'll put it up on eBay, but by the time I release this video, it'll probably be sold because they seem to sell real fast, so. But I don't know. You guys can all comment. What does this do? Is it just a toy? Is there just, these ghost hunters out there? What is it? How does it work? I'm not going to go no further than just a quickie tear down, reassemble the thing, and put it on eBay and get rid of it. But I figured it was interesting, so is it a toy? Is it a gimmick? Is it actual science behind it? I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments. Like, subscribe, and I'll probably go find something else to take apart when I go to the junk store again. Probably post some of that content on my other projects and stuff I like to do. So, if you guys want to see something, message the comments, man. Catch y'all later.